You're investing in IoT to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, or unlock new business models. But why do custom IoT projects often cost more than what you initially estimate? Hello there, welcome to this video where we discuss why custom IoT projects cost more than you think. Let's be honest, building a custom IoT solution isn't just about devices and dashboards. Hidden costs creep in from unexpected areas: legacy system integration, edge-to-cloud architecture planning, data security and compliance, firmware and OTA update infrastructure, custom APIs and third-party dependencies. And the biggest cost? Delays? Due to unclear use cases, hardware-software mismatches, or underestimating data engineering needs. A well-scoped custom IoT implementation can stay on budget, but it needs a modular no-code/low-code approach, clear ROI-driven use cases, future-proof architecture planning, expert guidance in both IT and OT. You need a team that understands not just the tech, but the business impact behind it. Before you commit to the next IoT rollout, let's talk. Book a free IoT consultation with our team. We'll help you uncover the hidden costs before they hit your budget. Contact us today. Let's build smarter,